Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Xbox app on your PC and signing in with the Microsoft account you use for Game Pass. Once signed in, make sure the app has necessary permissions because connection features rely on that. Next, grab the friend's gamer tag or email. This makes the search fast and precise. You're doing this first so you don't hit pauses later. It eliminates common delays and lets you go straight to searching and sending a request. You'll use the app search bar to enter the exact gamer tag or email because similar names can confuse results. Once the right profile appears, inspect mutual friends or avatar to confirm it's the correct person. Then click Add Friend, pick your visibility, and optionally add a short message. This increases acceptance chances. After sending, the request moves to pending. Make sure you watch for notifications so you can follow up if they don't accept. Once you've sent the invite, wait for your friend to accept and then refresh your friends list or check notifications to confirm connection. If you can't find them, double-check spelling, any special characters in the gamer tag, and that their privacy settings allow friend requests. Alternatively, try searching the linked email. If problems persist, restart the Xbox app, install updates for Windows and the app, sign out and back in, and check Xbox Live service status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.